Hi guys, it's Dan with Green Touch Industries. TrailerRacks.com if you don't know our website. So today we're going to be talking about the Fastrap and we're going to show you how to do the install. So basically this is how it comes packaged. It comes with the two straps, the hardware, and the two securing plates. What we're going to do is we're going to show you how this gets mounted. So the only tools that's going to be required is going to be a cordless drill with a Phillips bit and a marker. So that's what we're going to use to install our actual plates. So let's go ahead and we'll show you how these plates are going to be put in. These comes with the 6 mounting holes on there, and that's where you're going to mount all the screws in that. And then you're always going to want the E-track system facing outwards or forward of the tire. Okay, now that we have the wheel chocks out of the package, like I mentioned, this is the E-track clip part. So this one's going to face to the back. We're just going to push that under that wheel there. This one's going to go in front of the tire facing forward, the E-track part is. So this is where we have our four-wheeler position on the trailer. And what we're going to do is we're going to straddle these little space marks between the two planks just because we want to be able to get all 6 screws in there. That's very important, especially with a trailer like this. Customer dropped it off and it's not very desirable as far as the wood quality goes. So it's getting old, it needs to be replaced. But if we get all 6 screws in there, I think we'll be in good shape. So we have these right now already in position. We're just going to take our black magic marker. Very simple. We're just going to mark our holes so we can drill the screws in. Okay, we've got those marked. Now let's go ahead. We're going to push the four-wheeler forward. And we're going to go ahead and screw our plates in here next. Okay, let's go ahead and put our screws in. I usually start in the middle. And let's zip it in. Complete all the screws in there, and then we'll go in to show you how to thread the strap and then how it actually works. So we'll talk to you in a minute. Okay, the hardest thing you're going to possibly have to do here is just feed the strap, and that's really not too bad if you can watch these instructions. So here's the short strap. You grab this one first. Go ahead and pull this on back. So you want that to be flush up against there. As you can see this area here, you want that facing to the back. So once we have this in our hand like this, now we're going to thread the larger section of the strap. So we're going to grab this, keep all the name and stuff facing out. So we're going to go into our first hole, which is going to be this one. So that's going to feed in there. Pull it through a little bit, and then just come back on this back side here, feed it in there. Sometimes it's a little stiff because the straps are new and they're really heavy duty. Okay, so once we have that, we can go ahead and just kind of stretch everything out. We're ready to do an install. So let's go ahead and bring this over here to the four-wheeler. We'll roll it back into position here. That's going to roll right back between those two wheel chocks. That'll stop it there. I'm going to clip the front on first. And the strap is always totally adjustable. So okay, so that part is there, and we're definitely going to have to adjust it, which is no big deal, so we're just going to give it a little more slack. So that's all clipped in there. So now what we do, just pull a little tension on it, grab the handle, bring this back around, and there's your Fastrap, completely secure. It's not going to move anywhere. It's still going to let the suspension of the vehicle move up and down, so it doesn't destroy any of that. And it makes it part of the trailer now. So it's a very safe way to transport your vehicles. Always recommend that you use 2. You can either put them on the front tires or the back, whatever you prefer. In this situation, we're putting them on the back. I'm going to install another one on that side for the customer. That way he complies with DOT ratings. Okay, now that we have both Fastraps installed on the rear tires, this is what it's going to look like. It's a very clean look. We like to look at this as it's a safety belt, like something you wear inside your truck or car. Well, your equipment needs it too. So it's very important, I think, that you do this. It'll make you safe going down the road. If you ever happen to have an accident or have to slam your brakes on, this is going to stay on your trailer. It's not going to go flying off and as a projectile. So anyhow, this is the Fastrap. Please consider it. It's a great item. It's not that expensive. It gives you good insurance. And we're going to show you now how it actually comes off. Undo our Fastrap so we can show you how to take your equipment off. Just grab that lever, pop it down. Same way on that side. Now you can always just grab a little slack like this and then you just slide your strap right off. And we'll do that on both sides. Okay, so now we can actually drive the equipment back off the trailer. And then when we drive it back on, it'll go over those wheel chocks and it'll set right in position. Now, if for some reason you want to use your trailer for something else, or you're just going to be storing it outside, let's take the straps off and we'll show you how to do that. That way the sun doesn't affect them or deteriorate them or anything like that. It will last a lot longer for you. But the straps are replaceable if you just want to buy the straps. So let's go ahead and just do the E-track. Put that one off. Flip this one off. There's your straps right there. Super easy, really efficient, and clean looking. So we hope you enjoyed the video on this. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. And again, please stay original. That's TrailerRacks.com, Green Touch Industries. Thank you.